You're watching Twinneration X. Welcome back to Twinneration X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with Lookfantastic, which is, I think, the only one we got today that we're filming today. This actually arrived
We're
today.
doing back-to-back videos, and I didn't get mine, so I don't know where it's at. Was that like an orangey color? That's like the color I want my nails.
The box, like,
I was like, that's the color I want these nails. If I can get them that color into another color, that would be great, like an ombre.
Get the box out.
I have to get a whole new set, which, yeah, I don't like Phil's much.
The box feels different.
It looks satiny.
Somehow. I don't know. It feels like, yeah, it feels, I don't know, different. To me, I don't know. Might be tripping. It's late at night. Glowing skin is always in. Is there the ones that say that? Yeah, it's the, is there the ones that change the message or no?
I have no idea.
One of them changes the message.
I wish I could pay attention to that, but...
And then there's just the card. She can read it if she wants.
If I'm fast enough, it says, to our lovely beauty box customers, we hope you love all the products in this box. With everything that's going on at the moment, we have decided to make all beauty box edits in digital form for the foreseeable future. Don't worry, we'll bring in printed versions back as soon as we possibly can. In the meantime, please keep an eye out for your beauty box emails, which will have a link for you to click through and read the magazine online. Thank you for your continued support, the Beauty Box team.
Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is Erno Laszlo's Erno Laszlo Multitask Eye Serum Mask.
We're super tired. It's super late. Sorry if we mess up on anything throughout all these videos.
Several times, yeah.
But I like that brand, so that's cool.
And then as I mentioned in the other video, I'm wearing a heart rate monitor for a week. So no swimming, but I can shower with it on.
Ooh, I feel like I got that at home.
Okay,
but
this is Balance Me 99.8.
Is it eye cream?
Something, and it's vitamin C repair serum.
Oh, repair serum. Because, yeah, I got, like, their other, I think 2 of their eye creams.
Okay, so far so good. And then I have Matte Me. I guess that's the company name, right? Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream in French Fancy. I'll either put this in a giveaway. It says Sleek. Oh, Sleek Makeup is a brand, probably. Sorry. Either a giveaway or if my sister wants it or something.
But this is the one box I get, right?
Oh, that's true.
So that's the case.
I'm tired.
Because I would want that. I do like liquid lips. Okay, that's what I'm wearing right now.
Put it in a giveaway.
Yeah.
Our next one, not maybe this coming one, that's going to be very soon. But and then I have So Eco Eye Shading Brush. Am I missing anything on this? I don't know. Might be.
It looks like it's a really cool. I mean, it's got lots of stuff on it. So
cruelty free and vegan, so that's good. And then I have is it Nux Creme Protégé Boost, I don't know how to say it. Cream Gel Multi-Correction Gel Cream. I always think of Gel Bean for like people who have like oily skin, but I don't know.
For their hair?
No, for like
for their
skin. If they, I don't know what I'm saying. Never mind. I'm tired.
I was like, huh.
Oh, and then another Nux Insta Mask exfoliating and unifying mask, rose and macadamia.
See, that I might put in a giveaway. I don't know. If I get mine, I mean, just because, yeah.
Or
I have
mine
so
too.
many masks.
Who knows?
So many masks.
Okay, and then Le Couvent des Minimis Aqua Mystery
or bar soap. A soap, right?
Aqua Mystery.
It's pretty packaging.
Botanical soap. It smells good too. It's a cute little soap. I think that's it, but let me double check. I think that's all of it. Nope, that's all.
And as I said, I'll be getting this one too, but we won't film it, assuming everything is going to be the same. But if this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways like the one I will link down below. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.